Good morning, everybody. Myself Rajesh Kar. I am working in Vagdevi Degree and PG College as an assistant professor from last 20 years onwards. I have a lot of experience in the commerce teaching. Today I am going to teach about the bank reconciliation statement. So in this, generally, the so many people the students will be getting lot of confusion. So whether the passbook and cash book is there, then how we have to record the transactions, moreover how it is going to work out. Let us how we have to prepare. So first of all, before going to our bank reconciliation statement, so what is the bank reconciliation statement as well as why we prepare first of all. See, in bank, every businessman open a bank account. Am I right or wrong? Everybody has to accept this because bank legal statement we need to prepare when the errors comes from the business side and sometimes errors committed from the bank side. Sometimes we may forget to record some bank transactions. Is it or not? Banker may forget sometimes. In this then how we have to make reconciliation of both entries and money. And it is nothing but a temporary adjustment of the bank statement. Temporary adjustment of the one entry is there, we have to record cash book as well as passbook. Is it or not? When any one of the book is not entered, any one transaction is not entered in any one of the book, either cash book or passbook, will be comes under the bank reconciliation statement. Is it or not? Then how we have to work out? Let us see. So there are two books are there, and passbook and cash book. So passbook, cash book is prepared by the businessman. Is it or not? Banker. Passbook will enter the banker. So cash book will prepare by the businessman. Is it or not? So let us take the what are the cash book and passbook. Let us they are recording here at the cash book and they are recording here passbook. One by one transaction I am going to record to make very simple to understand and very easy to work out. So that let us go to the problem. So that is nothing but a prepared bank reconciliation statement for following 31st March of 2017. Okay. Then what are the transactions are given? There are balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book has given, not the passbook. So we have to work out with the only cash book. Please note this point, all of you. If the what is the balance is given, cash book balance is given or passbook balance is given, we have to check it out. If the cash book balance is there, we have to work out with the compare with the cash book only, not with the passbook. So we need to understand the position of the balance of the cash book and well as passbook, and we need to make correction with the cash book. అంటే మన దగ్గర ఓన్లీ క్యాష్ బుక్ మన దగ్గర ఉంది, దాంతోనే కరెక్షన్ చేయాలి. We have to make a correction with only cash book, not with the passbook. Okay. So first of all, you have to record the balance position. Okay. Right. Balance as per cash book is given. That is right. I am writing here outer column. Okay. Okay, guys. So add column and right here balance as given. Balance as per cash book. The cash book balance is given. So then we have to need to make the we have a balance in our cash book only. Is it not? So what is the balance in cash book? The balance of the cash book is 18,500. Okay, let us go to first transaction. So checks issued but not presented for payment. We are issuing the checks. అంటే మనం we are issuing checks to outside parties. Sometimes we purchase the material. We are due to some other persons, that is debts we are paying. So for the in that case, generally we issue the checks to the outsiders. In this case, our balance is going to reduce. Am I right or wrong? మనం వేరే వాళ్ళకి చెక్ ఇచ్చామంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది మన దగ్గర. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏం చేస్తాను, ఐ విల్ మేక్ ఏ కరెక్షన్ విత్ ఓన్లీ క్యాష్ బుక్. దట్ ఈస్ ప్లీజ్ నోట్ దిస్ పాయింట్. I will make a correction with only cash book. So I am decreasing my balance because now if I issue the checks now, my balance is going to decrease. First thing we need to all of you note this point. If I issue my checks now, my balance is going to decrease. So I decrease my balance. Here checks issued but not presented for payment. But payment was not made by the banker. So balance is as usual. So I am writing plus here. Plus symbol is nothing but not the more than that of balance. So comparing to calculate the bank balance is more. Is it not? Then the calculate balance is minus. So we have to make a connection with the bank now. If the less balance is there, we have to add it again. Okay, right? Or if I think everybody is following. Checks issued but not presented for payment. That is 5,000. So I want to repeat again. We are issued checks. Our my cash balance is decreased. That is not paid by the bank. మనం ఇష్యూ చేసామంటే బ్యాంక్ కూడా పేమెంట్ చేయాలి, బట్ నాట్ పేడ్ బై ద బ్యాంక్. ద బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇస్ యాజ్ యూజువల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ రైటింగ్ డెసిమల్ హియర్. Compared to calculate, passbook balance is more. So we are making correction with only calculate. I have the problem has given only calculate amount. So calculate to maatrame correction cheyali ikkada. Is it not? So I am writing the minus unte, minus is there, you have to add it. Plus is there, you have to deduct. That is simple secret. Next one. Checks is deposited but not entered in the passbook. So we are depositing checks. If I deposit my check now, my balance is going to increase. Am I right or wrong? If I deposit my check in the bank now, my balance is going to increase. First of all, what I do, I will make a correction with the cash book. So second one I am writing here. I am depositing. If I deposit now, at anyhow, my balance is going to increase. I increase my cash book. Again I send to the bank. But what happened? But not entered in the passbook. So I deposited, I written in the calculate, but I deposited in the bank, but bank has not made a correction with the adding that our amount. So that is balance is minus provision. So whether minus or provision, whatever that may be, we have to make correction with the calculate only. Make correction with the calculate. Balance is more. We have to deduct. Right? Checks deposited but not entered in account. That is 3,000. Okay. Next one, bank charges entered only in the passbook. Bank charges entered ikkada. So we are going to bank and we are making a utilize of the bank properties as well as make use of the bank premises, bank channels, etc. So they will charge something annually. They charge something. Something means they generally simply they deduct from our bank account. They will deduct from our bank account. That's all. So sometimes they will intimate to you. Sometimes there is no intimation from the bank. Sometimes. So bank charges means we need to pay them to the bank. We need to pay to the bank. In this case, my balance is going to reduce. So I am reducing my passbook here. Is it not? I reduce my passbook, that is minus, and I don't know the information here. Balance is more. So I can again decrease my value. Bank charges entered only in passbook, that is 200 rupees. Next one. Interest on investment. So we any company having an excess cash balance, more funds have been generated. More revenue generated in a particular year now. In this case now, the company will invest some other in some other company. In that case now, the banker will we receive some investment from that point. So that is nothing but in this case, we interest on investment collected by investment we invested in other companies. They are paying interest to us. Is it not? We are going to collect. So that responsibility we hand over to the banker. Banker is collecting on behalf of our company. So banker is collecting. Our balance is going to increase. Interest on investment is nothing but a profit to us. Our balance is going to increase. So here nothing but a increase by balance. I don't know the information. Calculate balance is minus. So that is minus is there. We have to add it again. Interest on investment recorded only in passbook, that is 2,000 and 7,000 500, 25,500, 3,200. Okay, add column, add it again, and less column, you have to deduct. That is 3,000, 22,300. That is the balance as per cash book is there. We find out the balance as per passbook. Okay, this is the problem to you. This is the method we can able to understand the decision. Is it not? So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Rajeshwar Commerce Classes. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much.